I am going to talk about transferring using a walnut hollow Versatool and the transfer point or the transfer nib. So I have printed my design backwards since I have writing using my laser printer. A laser printer works, but anything that you get printed at an actual printer place or copied on a copy machine will work too. It just has to use toner as the ink. So I print it, I place it face down, and then what I'm going to do, I've let my burner heat up to pretty hot. Hopefully it's nice and warm at this point, and I am just going to rub on the surface. You want to be careful with using tape or anything that you don't get it too close to the edge or you will burn the tape. And then you're just going to use a hard pressure and go around and press on the entire design. And what it's doing is just transferring that ink to the wood. This is one of my favorite transfer techniques, especially for anything with font or anything that is super detailed, because it really transfers it so perfectly. It can be hard on your hand because you're having to grip pretty hard and push pretty hard to get that ink to go onto the wood. But I just love how it transfers. It's just such a clean transfer. And then what you want to do is before you go picking up the paper and ripping it off, you want to make sure that everything has transferred before you go ripping it off. Let's take a look. So I could use a little more in this area, but it's looking good, coming along. And by keeping it attached like I did, it makes it so that you can go back and do those fixes on those spots that didn't transfer. And it will lay back down right in the same spot. It's kind of awesome. All right, let's see where we're at now. Pretty darn good. I'm just gonna press that down one more. Right there we go. And so I can easily follow these lines to burn, and I've got a perfect transfer. Pretty awesome, right?